Well, Jamie's just got up off the floor and she can't walk because her foot's gone to sleep, which is awesome. It's nearly 1 o'clock in the morning. We haven't got school tomorrow again. And this is the reason why. We're going out there.
Look at how bright it is
Go out
outside.
there.
Look at how bright.
Well, there's a reason for that. Wow. We have
Listen how quiet.
a winter wonderland. Baby, now let me just pull those bird feeder down because I don't want it to get wet.
Listen how quiet.
It is wow out here.
My foot's still asleep.
Do you want to go out in it?
Hold on.
You want to go down there?
I'm a little up. My foot is still asleep. Now it's burning.
Bird, what are you talking about?
Okay.
Open the door. If we'd have gone to sleep at a normal time, we'd have missed this. Look at this mess. It's a blizzard.
It's so light, I can't even feel it.
Yeah, this is cold snow. You don't get the big clumpy snow when it's this cold. It's about 25 degrees outside.
It doesn't feel that cold.
Yeah.
We're just so used to it.
That's snowing pretty hard, too. I need to check online and see if this is expected to stay like this for a while, because if it is, we're all in trouble. I didn't know it was going to be coming like this, I'll be honest.
Over there, it looks like it's going in this direction. Over here, it looks like it's going to come in.
Yeah, I think that's the building. Yeah, out there the wind's blowing it that way, and the building is blocking it. I couldn't believe it when I looked out the window. Yes, pickle. Pickle.
Pickle. Pickle what?
Yeah. It is snowing up a storm.
Oh, you okay?
Don't get too close to the edge, because she could freak out and jump for it. Put it down.
Oh.
It's hey Pickle. Pickle. Leave the seeds alone. I don't know if you can see it down there. See, now put the light on. She says enough of this mess. I'm going inside. But wow, this is amazing. I think we're going to go and walk in a minute, because this is going to be the best time to go walking. Alright, we'll video later. Bye.